What is your name?
Pera, Nicole, Catchy.
Good girl.
Ice cream there. It's a boy.
It's a bunny. That's right.
Okay.
What's daddy's name?
Mike.
Mike. Mommy?
Jiffy.
Jovi. Good girl.
From Pest coming.
Paris coming! Come! V? Hello. Maayuhan ni Paris, bye.
Sing a truck.
Yeah, go see the truck. Come on. Maayo kay Paris, bye. Quick. Ali.
It's mommy.
It's-
Titigil. It's yours. It's Paris.
It's yours. Okay.
It's a blue one.
Okay, the blue one. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday, everyone. It is currently 1 o'clock ng hapon and Daddy Mike and I, we are having our lunch break, and also Paris is here kasi walang childcare today, diba? Kasi Friday. And yan, naka-ready na silang lahat. Ang ating pram, ay nakapasok na din si baby girl. And ngayon ay napag-isipan namin na maglakad-lakad kami, guys, kasi have a look outside, guys. Oh, it's a glorious day. Kita ba, guys? It's very sunny talaga. Ayan. Kaya sabi namin ni Daddy Mike, maglalakad-lakad kami. So, Daddy Mike has got his mask already. And ito pa rin yung medical grade na mask yung ginagamit ko. And also, ang tawag dito, disposable to siya. So, nadalhan natin ng tubig yung ating baby girl, guys. Ayan. And also, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Nag-start na talaga siyang magbukad-bukad. Bubuka ang bulaklak. Very nice. I love that one. Anyways, alis na tayo, guys, kasi iniwan na tayo ng ating pamilya. Sobrang ganda ng araw talaga ba, my lord. It's been a while since nagkaroon kami ng araw na ganito, guys. Kasi nga winter, di ba? Oh, look at what Daddy received. Where's that from? Oh, well done, Daddy. So, di ba birthday ni Mike, when was that? 27th of July. Tapos ngayon lang dumating yung card ng kanyang lola tsaka lolo. Nilagyan ng pera. How much? Honey?
100 pesos.
100 pesos. Oh, here's your water, anak. Well done. Say hi, Sabi.
Hi.
Hang on, Daddy. Say hi, Sabi. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang outfit. Oh, very warm siya. Meron pa siyang bear. Yummy. Ayan. Best day para maglakad-lakad ba? Kailangan na nating mag-mask, guys, kasi baka makita tayo ng pulis ba. Lalakad tayong walang mask. By the way, maraming salamat pala sa inyo. Ang hirap magsalita ng may mask. Maraming salamat pala sa inyo kasi sa mga tips na binibigay nyo sa akin about wearing mask para di mag-fog yung glasses ba. So may nagsabi na lagyan na ng panyo yun dito. So hindi ko pa na-try. So I'm gonna give that a try. And then may nagsabi din na kasi dito, di ba, may hindi ko kasi alam to, guys, before. Merong parang spring, tawag dito, parang alambre ba dito. Pwede pala siyang mapiko, ganyan. Tapos, you can do like this. Tingnan. Parang dyan, pikuin dyan. Tapos, yung antipara ba, ganyanin. Piiton sa, antipara. It actually helps, guys. Kaya, it's good. A little bit still, it fogs, but not too bad. Anyways, guys, hindi nyo naman siguro ako naiintindihan na magsalita with my mask on, so hindi na lang ako magsasalita, guys, ha. I'll just show you later pag nakarating na kami dun sa aming pupuntahan. Pakita ko muna to sa inyo, guys. O, tingnan nyo. Mga hard rubbish ba? Ganyan. Oh, may mga rubbish bitaw nila, mga sagbot. May time kasi dito sa Australia na nila, parang pipick upin yung mga hard rubbish. Kaya yan, nasa labas. Minsan, masarap magtingin-tingin sa mga ganyan ba kasi may mga magaganda pa. There, truck, Paris?
truck and fly.
Yeah. Where's the truck?
Look at the truck there.
Mahirap palang mag-cameraman, oy. Cameraman. Yeah.
Tortoise.
There's a toy. Where?
This parrot.
Tignan nyo, ito yung sinasabi ko guys, oh.
Parrot.
May mga ganyan-ganyan.
Mommy, it's a parrot.
Kasi yung mga bagay na hindi na ginagamit nila ba, tinatapon. Tapos may truck na pupunta, pipick upin lahat. Minsan doon, the other day, meron silang bike, sabi ni Daddy Mike, kunin natin.
Chicken, mommy.
Pero, flat tire man.
Chicken.
Chicken, where's the chicken?
Look at the
Tingnan nyo guys, mga ganito.
Look at the chicken.
Oh. Hala, may tumatawag sa akin, maybe sa opisina. Hala, where's my friend? You're calling me, Daddy. Hala, akala ko ba kung sino tumatawag, akala ko sa opisina. Daddy Mike pala na natuplok niya eh. Ay, hinao ko. Tingnan nyo guys, andan guys, oh. Ayan. Mga rubbish. Minsan may mga laruan ba, madami. Sus, kung malapit lang sana yung pamilya natin dito. Hala, nice slide sila, oh. Honey girl, they've got a slide. Oh, playback. Tingnan nyo, may slide. Itong mga ganito, yung mga pink na bag, yun yung mga used clothes, ganyan. Grabe. Oh, sobra, may lamisa. May mga bed, may helmet. Oh, ano pang gusto mo? Hala, over naman yung ginanyan. Oh, hindi nilagay sa plastic. Kung mag-ulan na. Oh, there's a scooter. Is that a scooter, Nak? Tingnan nyo, may scooter, oh. Nabaguhan ba kayo ngayon, guys? Daddy Mike hindi nag-pek-pek shorts. Naka-jeans siya today. Hala, there's a little couch. Oh, so cute. Sobrang lait. That's yours, Mama's. This one.
Here you go.
The purple one. Hang on.
Here you go, mommy. Here you go.
Quick.
Here you go, mommy.
Here you go. You can carry it.
I'm coming. Help, mommy.
Do you want to help?
Yes.
Okay. What do you say?
Parrot.
What do you say?
Parrot.
Baby girl, what do you say if you want Mama to help? Please.
Please.
That's right. Ayan, lalabas muna kami guys. Palaruin natin tong batang ito. Ayan, oh. Say hi, honey.
Truck.
Yeah, where's the truck? Is there a truck?
This is your truck in the camp.
Oh. I think the truck went home already. Because you've been a good girl. Careful. Oh, oh. Careful.
Look at the ants.
Ants. There's black ants.
Black ants is too big.
So hi guys, ngayon ay 5 o'clock na ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Wala, pasensya na ang aking buhok ba? Okay, very gubot. Yes, my love. What's that?
Yeah.
Ants, yes. Ah, super gubot ak ng buhok ba? Si Daddy pala ay nag-work pa, kaya kami lang ni Paris yung lumabas muna. Ayan, kasi kailangan ni Paris maglaro-laro ba? And also because, tingnan nyo, oh, it's 5 o'clock na pero mataas pa rin yung araw, so medyo bright pa rin siya sa labas. Tingnan nyo, and alam nyo naman ang ating baby girl ay gustong maglaro-laro all the time. Come na!
I take it.
Ants. Ants. Sige na, play with that one. That one is yours, oh. This is mine. Do you want your helmet? Do you want your helmet? Okay, hang on. Do you know how to put it on? Yeah. Yay! Be, Mama, put it on. Wow! Beautiful girl. Hala. Yan, be. Come here, be. Mama will put it on for you. Ayan. Wait! Pick it up. Pick it up, nak. Be, give it to mommy. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog kanina, guys. Di ba naglakad-lakad kami kaninang tanghali? Kasi nakatulog si Paris. And alam niyo naman, kailangan magsuot ng mask pag pumunta ng, lakad-lakad, punta ng shops. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. And, nung nagising si Paris, nagtatrabaho na ang kanyang mama. Come here, be. Uy. Hala, diya kay naikuan. Naitrak diya. Alin na. Show, be. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. There you go. Say thank you, Mommy. Oh, come na. Right here. Magra-ride na to siya ng ano. Which one is this? Come here. Uy! Come, Mommy. Okay, come. Ano siya kasi aalis na siya. Do you wanna go see the truck? Oh, come on, go. Go.
What is this?
Come on.
Okay.
Drive na. Hala, sorry mo. Say up nga magkuan ka. Mag-scooter ka. Mag-ar sa lugar ka kay nag-helmet ka. Pataka ramang kanak. Alin na. Use the blue one. Come on. Hala, Mama's going.
Paris coming.
Paris coming. Come. V? Hala, maayuhan ni Paris, bye.
See the truck.
Yeah, go see the truck. Come on. Maayo kay Paris, bye. Quick. Ali.
It's mommy.
It's-
Titigil. It's yours. It's Paris.
It's yours. Okay.
It's a blue one.
Okay, the blue one. Mama will use the blue one. No, come on, go. Mama will sunod-sunod you. Come on.
Press you.
Yay! Good job. That's good riding, honey. Wow. Bantay, makabangga ka. Agay, way lisensya ning bataan eh. Ali na. Let's go see the flowers ta.
The
Come on.
big one.
There, oh, may pink flowers. Hala, nag-helmet man si Lola, eh. Ito pala yung sa labas namin, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, may mga bulaklak. So nice nito, oh.
Look, mommy.
Look, Mama get one, B. Can you get Mama one?
See that?
Yeah. Can you get Mama one?
See that place.
This one? Ganda ng
No.
bulaklak, guys.
See that one.
This one?
No.
Which one then?
That.
Kapamili ba niyo mo, eh?
And that one.
Which one?
And that one.
This one?
No.
Mama will get this one, okay?
No.
Why not?
I think I'm looking.
Broken, yeah, Mama broke it. Mama will put it here, oh. Mama's ear, like that, oh. Wow.
Another yellow.
Wow.
Another yellow.
Ah, you want the yellow one? Dako ra kay ning pink. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Ayaw niya nito kasi sobrang laki pala, oh. Gusto niya itong yellow, kay maliit.
Has a play. Come here, mommy.
Yeah, we can't go to the park because they closed the park now. They closed the park.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's right. Remember there was truck there before? Ali na.
Look at you.
Do you want to go for a run then? We can go for a run around the oval.
Okay.
Okay? Magdagan lang ka dito?
Come, mommy.
Okay. Do you want to take your kuan?
Huh?
Helmet off?
No.
Okay.
Need to go play.
Are you gonna ride your scooter or what?
No.
Oh, we can go ride the scooter there. Go. Come on. Let's go to the park and ride the scooter. Quick.
No. Take.
Come on. Let's go. Princess, princess,
This is mommy.
eating sugar.
Play outside.
Ah, playing outside,
No, no, mommy.
telling lies.
No, no, mommy.
Open your mouth. O, tingnan niyo yan siya, guys. O, pag nakalabas ng bahay.
Mommy.
Yes, Paris. Sobrang saya niyan pag nakalabas ng bahay. Careful! Oh, 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 oh! Oh, awa.
Push for the balloon.
Ah, Paris fall down the balloon.
Okay, Paris. Look at the knees.
Did you hurt your knees? Did you? Be, show mama your niece, Be. Be? Do you want me to call the doctor? No? No?
I'm coming.
I'll call the doctor for you.
Okay.
Okay, call the doctor. Okay. Guys, we'll call the doctor kasi si Paris ay na-hurt daw ang kanyang niece. Be? Or do you want to call the doctor or yourself?
Oh, what's that?
Ants. Ants. La. Ants. Uy, careful lagi anak. Basta magnaog ka.
Oh, you get the box, yeah.
There's more ants there. Guys, ano palang gamit nyo pag nagpapadala kayo ng pera sa Pilipinas? Normally, kasi ako, meron akong Western Union online account. So, hindi ako kailangan na pumunta talaga ng mga shops para magpadala ng pera sa pamilya ko. Yung ginagawa ko, online lang. So, very convenient ba? Yes, anak. It's ants. Sapa, makain nga akong anak ko eh. Yeah, there's a car. Careful. So, nung nagpadala ako ulit sa family ko, guys, nag-wonder ako kasi hindi siya mag-go through. Sabi, may may problema daw or something. So, yes, my love.
Baba.
Lola, yes, that's Lola's house. Go play with your balloon, go.
No.
Pero yun na nga, kailangan ko daw kontakin yung Western Union para i-verify yung something. Sa atin nyo kasi guys, mahilig mag-online shopping. So pag, ang tawag dito, pag nag-trust ako sa seller o yung sa taong papadalhan ko ng pera, Western Union yung ginagamit ko. Kasi nga diba, very convenient for me. Ngayon guys, kasi siguro, na-detect siguro ng Western Union ba, na sabi ng Western Union, bakit ang daming tao na pinapadalhan ng pera nito? Akala nila drugs or something. Kaya yun guys, nag-block nila ang aking Western Union and ngayon hindi ko siya magamit. So nung yung ginamit ko ngayon na pag nagpapadala ko sa pamilya ko ulit, careful anak ko, kuko. Na yung ginagamit ko guys, Remitly. Yung ginagamit ko kasi maganda din siya guys kasi meron siyang, meron din siyang app. Yes, meron din siyang app. What's this? Bunny.
I like Bobby.
No, it's not bunny. Is it no? No, it's a dog, I think. What's this?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. I actually like Remitly guys kasi meron din silang app tapos pwede kang gumawa ng ng online na account mo and i-connect mo lang yung yung card mo. Tapos yun. There's nothing manak. Tapos yun, pwede ka nang makapagpadala ng pera. And you know what? I actually like it better kasi sobrang cheap ng kanyang fee. I think it's $4 lang yata every time na nagpapadala ka. So, compared to Western Union na $14 ata. Kaya yun na yung bagong gamit ko ngayon guys. Pag nagpapadala ako sa pamilya ko. Yes, honey. Ants. Ants. Hala, na-amaze talaga siya sa ants ba? Yes, honey. What's the color of the balloon?
Orange.
Orange. What is your name?
Pera. Nicole Catchy.
Good girl.
Ice Panda. It's a boy.
It's a bunny. That's right.
Not the dog.
What is mommy's name?
Nicole Catchy.
Mommy na.
Mommy. Nicole Catchy.
Pataka lang. Kasi yun, be. Kasi yun, be. Kasi yun, be. What's daddy's name?
Mike.
Mike. Mommy?
Jeffy.
Jovi. Good girl. Come. You wanna jump here first? Jump. Come on.
No.
No, why not?
I'm
Mama will jump here. We'll go to the park later. You have to bring our kuanman mask. Come.
Come.
Yeah, we have to bring the mask.
Because imagine the chocolate coming in the front, right? Huh?
Yes. 1, 2. Ready?
Move back.
Move back.
Right?
There.
Mama! What's that?
2, 3.
Miss back. Miss back one. Miss back.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ready? Go. Hi sa lagi friends there. Hi friends.
Hi, friends.
And the camera ba? Ito lang ang camera. Oh. Say hi friends. Hi friends. Up. 1, 2. Careful. Move back, mama. Move back.
Miss back. Miss back.
1, 2, 3. Ready? Wait, ayaw pag nahanap. Go! Hi friends. Hi friends ba? Say hi friends. Alo. Nai-track ka ron. Say hi friends.
No.
Guys, 6 o'clock na pala siya ng gabi. Nandito na kami sa loob. Bilis na mami, kasi 6 o'clock na. Hold the hand lagi. Ana, good girl. Bless, kiss daw yun sa mama. Kasi 6 o'clock ko. Kiss daw yun, kasi 6 o'clock na. I love you. Bless na po. Wee. Mag-bless ikaw sa basta 6 o'clock manak, ha? What are you eating, ha? Show them, be. What are you eating?
It's an almond.
Oh, eating almonds. 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 So, magluluto na tayo ng guys, ng ating hapunan. Actually guys, 'di ba sabi ko kanina na pupunta kami mag-grocery shopping kami ni Daddy Mike. Tapos parang gitapulan man kami guys, hindi kami aalis. Hindi muna kami mag-grocery shopping kasi hindi naman talaga super talaga kailangan namin pumunta. May maluluto pa naman kami tonight. Actually, ang dami pa talagang nasa freezer. So, yung nilabas ko is ito. See, kasi nag-check ako sa freezer at meron pala kaming ganito. Tingnan nyo, sardines. So, yung tamban na isda. Yung binili ko from Woolworths or Coles the other night. And yan yung pipirutuhin natin. Tapos, magluto lang tayo ng kanin. And then, dinner is sorted. We'll see. I'm not sure if, I'm not sure kung anong kakainin ni Daddy. Sabi niya, gagawa daw siya ng something healthy for himself. So, defrost muna natin yung isda kasi very hard pa talaga siya. Tingnan nyo, ang binayad ko dito is $3.17. Tingnan natin. Isang lutuan lang ba? Hindi talaga ako bumibili ng marami. Ayan. Pero alam nyo guys, yung tamban dito, yung sardinas, ibang-iba talaga yung lasa sa yung tamban natin sa Pilipinas ba? Pag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, yun talaga yung pinapaluto ko sa mama ko guys. Piniritong tamban na pinakaging talaga. Very crispy kasi favorite ko talaga yan. Yung tamban. Very, very simple lang talaga si atin yun. Yun lang talaga nakakapagpasaya sa atin ba? Ayan. Tapos, luto tayo ng kanin. Daog na ang atong panihapon. Na! Sing sa mama nak be. I'm a doctor. Oh, ABCD? W, X. Yay! Good job, my love. Sing sa sila ABCD, B. ABCD. Ano man na? Hi, friends.
Afresh.
How are you?
Hello.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Magluto si Mama, bugas. Bugas. Bukas, guys, pag nag grocery shopping kami, tingnan niyo, kailangan na rin natin yung bigas. Ayun ni anak, kay bugas niya, makabitok. Makabitok ang bugas. May smile ka karon.
Smile, mommy.
No, honey. Sorry, my love. This is bugas. It's not good for your tummy. Gawa din tayo ng sasawa natin, guys. Ayan, mai. Dato puti, suka, tapos service 1 soy sauce. And then, lagyan natin ng sili. Oh, I can't wait, guys. Sobrang ma-excited ako sa dinner natin. So, yan na yung dinner natin, guys. Meron tayong rice. And yung ating piniritong tamban nga, itumpas akong ilok. Grabe nga, kaging. And then, we have this sausawan, guys. There you go. Let's eat! Bon appetit! It's already 11 o'clock ng gabi and nandito lang ako sa beauty room ko kasi si baby girl natin ay nakatulog na kanina pa. Yung piniritong tamban was so yummy, guys. Like, seriously, naubos ko talaga yung isang baso na bigas ba? But after namin kumain ng dinner, nanood kami ng TV. So, nakaupo lang kami sa sofa namin, guys. And then, si Paris ay nagdididi and nakatulog siya, guys. And ngayon ay nasa bed na siya. Nalagay ko na siya sa bed. And kakatapos ko lang maghugas ng aking mukha and everything. So now, Daddy wants to watch something. So nandun na si Daddy sa couch. Naghihintay sa akin. So i-end na natin yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin for today's vlog. Sa mga bagong subscribers, maraming salamat sa pag-hit ng subscribe button. And also sa mga subscribers natin from the very beginning, maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Ngayon ay magsha-shoutout lang tayo, guys, sa ating mga mahal na subscribers na gustong magpa-shoutout. Shoutout to Carol Española from Bulacan. Shoutout to Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga. And also shoutout daw sa Bansil family. Shoutout to Ruby De La Rosa, Rinar May Recahuerta. Shoutout to Janet Gordon, Cheryl's Channel, Gloria Bostos from Jensan. Shout out to Flora Ferrer and also pa-shout out daw kay Ryan Padel and Rubin Ace Dorendes. Birthday daw nila sa 8th of August. So, advance happy birthday sa inyo. Shout out to Jorin Balatan, Myla Betasolo, Elsa Navales, Luis Manalastas, Sandra James from Las Vegas, USA, Carol Balitang Diego, Kusha Basham, Donna Ladera, Rosana Hidalgo, Sky Alice, Susing Sales, LM, Glady Mandanhuyan, Grace Carla Barba, and shout out to Jonadel Gallardo, Belen Herterich, Gina Pretty, Rizel Iga, Bisayang Gardener, Maria Luisa Torres, Joanne Ambe, Alice Arcio, Jenica Rodriguez, Simply Yeth, Mitch Agas, Marilu Laha, Jessica Alga, Niana Castres, Charmaine Brocal, Nenya Awa Agosto, Cherry Pamatmat, Shane Abastas, Carlami Arias, Cherry Ramos and Family, Soulmate, Angela Flores, Jam B, Apple Evangelista, Angel Chris Barte, Marivec Arnijo, Gaga Batislaong, and Gapol Eileen. Maraming salamat again as always sa palaging pagsuporta nyo sa channel namin. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, i-hit nyo na rin yung bell para always kayong notified kung mag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah!